This is Alex on Saphira. You can come on. She knows I have cookies in my pocket is why she slows down at me. Good girl. Back. Can you get her back? Good girl. Good girl. Gonna take her down and lope her back up through here? Don't take her too far because I can't see you after you pass that pile of stuff right there. That's good. That's good. He's just going to lope her up through here. She's got a nice little slow lope. She knows I've got cookies.
Huh?